Thanks for joining us in our color comparison video for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will come in 4 main color options, which will be available worldwide in both retail and online stores. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium black. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium gray. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium violet. And this is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium yellow. We were recently invited to an exclusive Samsung event to take a look at those 4 Galaxy S24 Ultra color options. Let's start with the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the titanium black color. And this here is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the titanium violet color. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the titanium yellow color. Finally, This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the titanium gray color. In addition to those 4 colors, Samsung will make 3 special colors available only through their online store. They are titanium green, titanium orange, and titanium blue. We hope you found this video useful. For more details, please click on the link in the description for our article. Please share this video and our article with those who are interested in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And please support our work by subscribing to our channel and sponsoring us through the links below. Thank you.